Number 71, find a third-degree polynomial equations with rational coefficients as roots -5 and 6 plus I. So we want rational coefficients with zeros. We have -5 and 6 plus I. Well, to make it come out to rational, I have to change the sign in front of the I and make another root. So we have to have 6 minus I. So it's 6 plus I. I'm going to include 6 minus I. Now, to write out this polynomial, I have to do x minus each of the zeros. So x minus, x minus, x minus. Okay, well, -5, that will become +5. And then 6 plus I.
Eric Garcia, can you please come up to the main office? Eric Garcia, can you please come up to the main office?
And 6 minus I. That's going to be funny. So always multiply the conjugates together first, because then all the i's will cancel out and it'll make the rest a little bit easier. So x minus 6 plus I, and x minus 6 minus I. And this will be a little messy at first, but all of the i's will cancel out here in a minute. So x squared, x times x is x squared, x times -6, -6x, x times -I is -ix. Let's take 6 times each of these. 6 times x is 6x. I'm sorry, -6 times x, -6x. -6 times -6 is a positive 36. -6 times -I is positive 6i. Last column here. I times x is ix. I times -6, -6i. I times -I squared. Let's mix this up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to cancel things out and all the i's should be gone. -ix, positive ix, they cancel out. 6i and -6i, they cancel out. And this is -I squared. Well, this is negative. I squared is -1. So that's just going to become 1. Okay, so let's survey the damage here. I have an x squared out front, -6x and -6x give me -12x, and 36 and 1 give me 37. Okay, so I multiplied these two together, and now what's left with is to multiply it by that one. So x plus 5 okay, x squared times x is x cubed. I'm just going to do one more grid here. This won't be as bad as this one. There's no i's. Everything will be kind of a little more normal. So 5x squared, -12 times x, -12x squared. -12 times 5 is -60x. I might have said that, -12x times 5, -60x. X times 37, 37x. And let me see here. I'll use my magic friend here. I could do it in my head if it wasn't the end of the day. 37 times 5, 185. Like terms, you have x cubed, 5 minus 12, -7x squared. 37 minus 60, -23x, and 185. I guess I should double check it, but I have the answer right here. So let's see, 71. How did I do? Whoops, plus 185 minus 20. Good, that's correct. That's the answer we have on the sheet. So 71. There's my answer.